And this is my hair with no product. Like it just ends up looking like frizz.
I've got my other project, Curl Maps.
Okay.
May have heard of it.
I've heard you talk about it.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
The thing that I keep running into is when I talk to people, they're like, I want to be on it. There's a couple things. One is like, I don't know if I should be taking curly hair clients yet. I want to, but I'm not confident enough.
Fair.
Okay, can appreciate that.
Yeah.
The other one is like, my books are closed. I'm not taking any new clients
I see.
as a curl specialist. Like
I'm fully booked.
yeah,
Okay.
and it's like, I'm always booked, but I have a wait list too.
You're
and that wait
super
list
booked.
is gold. And I think that's what a lot of stylists maybe don't really understand is that like, I don't even understand how many people actually need help. So it's like one thing if you're looking at it's just a job. Okay, cool. This is just my job or whatever.
Yeah.
But if you're like genuinely trying to like, cool, I want to help as many people so I can make a really big impact.
Yeah.
You want to get as many people in there as you can, especially if you're halfway decent at it.
Yeah.
Because that's just not a regular thing out there. So
Right.
that's what Curl Maps is for.
The curly girls definitely appreciate it because I feel like we need more people.
Well,
in this space.
I appreciate the curly girls, that's for sure. So tell me about your hair. Like, where are you at with it?
Okay.
It's beautiful.
Honestly, I think I didn't really think much about what I wanted to do today.
Okay.
With it, I do like having nice fullness.
Shape?
Shape for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I do like the round look, but I want to keep the length. I don't want to go. I guess in my mind, I'm thinking like, well, they're professional, so they're not going to mess up my texture. But is that not?
Are you ever straightening your hair?
Not often.
What's not often?
Like the last time I straightened my hair was 6 months ago.
Okay.
I usually do it get it professionally done anyway, just because I'm like.
Well, they'll probably do too good of a job, to be honest with you, because they're like, if you're in the salon, it's like I'm trying to remove this texture as much as possible. So you have to ask yourself, what am I doing? How do I dry it out, pull it straight, and get it to stay? How do I dehydrate this as much as possible without breaking it off?
Yeah.
Because that's what they're doing when they straighten this texture out.
I guess in my mind, I'm thinking like, well, they're professional, so they're not going to mess up my texture. But is that not okay? So
if you go in for a blowout, even if you came to me for a blowout, which I would never do, that's just not what I do.
We're against that.
It's not. There's plenty of other people that'll do it for you. But if I'm taking this section and you see how curly you are, and I'm going to stick that in a round brush, I am going to yes, I'm going to do my best to not like break it.
Right.
But that doesn't mean if I can't touch your skin with the tip of that blow dryer, because it would burn it, it's burning your hair.
Okay.
So it is for sure getting beat up. It's getting taxed.
Okay.
So it really depends on what anybody sitting here's goal is. Like if you want to be like, I want to be the healthiest curly girl in the world.
Yes.
I want it to just look epic for forever. I just want to be able to dust up on my trims here and there.
Yes.
How do you feel about seeing yourself right now with zero product in there? Do you see that very often or not really?
Not very often.
But how does this make you feel?
I kind of love it.
I do too.
Yeah, like I like the big hair look for sure. And I would almost say I would prefer more volume than like super defined curls.
Yeah. I always say, and I know I want some.
Yes, you're right.
Maybe, but I'll use the line definition's overrated.
Yeah.
Especially when you're like getting healthy and stuff, and you look like you're in pretty good shape.
Thank you.
Actually, while we're on that, I want to try some out right now. And then give me a big puppy dog head shake and hang out. It's coming up nice and slow. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're just missing out on the shape.
Yes.
So when we're trying to retain as much length as possible, the shape is more limited than as if you were like, cut however much you want. I want it round.
Okay.
Which is fine by me. I kind of already like what you got going on here. I think what I kind of want to eliminate is that angle right there. So if we're kind of, this all can remain, and then we'll kind of just hike this up to where you get a little bit more.
Yes.
It'll kind of exaggerate this a little bit more.
Okay.
But it's not going to take a lot of work on you. You're in a good spot.
Now, do you feel like from like a health perspective that I need to cut off more or not necessarily?
Let's find out. Are you getting...
Now, do you feel like from like a health perspective that I need to cut off more or not necessarily?
Let's find out. You're nice and coily. You're going to get some knots here and there.
Yeah.
Is it impossible? Is it like, oh my gosh, I get crazy bad knots down here on the ends right now? Or not really?
Well, I'll be honest with you. Sometimes I wait a long period of time to comb my hair out. Like this morning, I hadn't combed it in like a week and a half.
Okay.
So it took a while. But honestly, if I'm on top of combing it more frequently,
Like
it's not
detangling?
bad. Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna dust it for sure.
Yeah.
So we'll get rid of any ends that like absolutely have to go. But again, I think of just upon looking at it, if you were really stringy, that would be a signal of breakage happening to where you have a lot of unevenness. So that's visually the way that's going to show up is stringiness or like really solo curls that are just all by themselves. It's just not lined up.
Yeah.
And then the other that's going to cause it to be extremely knotty. So if you're not experiencing that, I wouldn't say that's like, oh, and I mean, looking at it, I don't see like, oh, there's split ends. Is it a little bit drier? Yeah, but it's a lot older than this is.
Yeah, and color treated too.
Okay, it's cool. So then there's like one thing that is technically taxing it.
Yeah.
So it might be aging out a little bit faster than it would if you weren't coloring it, but I don't care as long as you've got the foundation, the health foundation to stand on without the color breaking you down, which it seems like you've got.